Hi, I'm Ashley. Get ready to discover the game-changing power of this super simple technique. We all have habits we want to change or develop, but let's face it, it can be tricky. Our brains are wired to seek comfort and take the path of least resistance. But what if I told you there's a simple yet powerful method to make habit change a breeze? Introducing the 20-second rule. It's a groundbreaking concept that harnesses the dynamics of human behavior to help you effortlessly adopt new habits and break free from the ones holding you back. The 20-second rule is based on the principle of activation energy. Activation energy is the initial push required to start a task or habit. By reducing the activation energy needed for positive habits and increasing it for negative ones, you can transform your behavior in just 20 seconds. Here's how it works. Take a moment to identify the habit you want to change or develop. Then, make it 20 seconds easier to start. That could mean placing your yoga mat next to your bed, keeping healthy snacks at eye level, or even organizing your workspace for maximum efficiency. You're essentially hacking your brain's resistance by strategically reducing the time and effort required to initiate a habit. The 20-second rule makes it easier to choose the desired behavior and sets you up for success right from the start. Imagine this. You've been meaning to read more, but it always seems like a daunting task. Now, with the 20-second rule in action, you place a book on your bedside table. Suddenly, reading becomes the easiest and most enticing option before bed. Did you know it takes an average of 66 days to form a new habit? But with the 20-second rule, you can expedite that process significantly. By making your desired habits more accessible and the unwanted ones slightly more challenging, you'll be on the fast track to habit mastery. Day by day, as you consistently apply the 20-second rule, you're rewiring your brain and reinforcing the neural pathways associated with your desired habits. It's like training your brain to automatically choose the actions that align with your goals and values. Breaking old habits can be challenging, but the 20-second rule gives you an edge. By making the unwanted behaviors take just a little more effort, you're effectively rewiring your brain and paving the way for new, positive habits to take place. Say goodbye to those old, unproductive habits and hello to a healthier and happier you. With the 20-second rule, you'll have the power to make better choices effortlessly, leading to a more fulfilling life. Consistency is critical when it comes to habit formation. The 20-second rule helps you maintain that crucial momentum by making it easier to stay on track. By reducing the barriers to starting your desired habits, you'll find yourself more motivated and committed to sticking with them. Remember, the 20-second rule isn't just about making things easier. It's about creating an environment that supports your goals and values. Surround yourself with positive cues and reminders that reinforce your desired habits. Did you know that our environment plays a significant role in shaping our behaviors? By strategically arranging your surroundings to facilitate positive habits, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Now, let's dive into some practical tips for applying the 20-second rule effectively. Tip number 1, start small. Focus on one habit at a time and break it down into manageable steps. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are lasting habits. Tip number 2, use visual cues. Place reminders or visual representations of your desired habits in prominent places. These cues will serve as gentle nudges, prompting you to take action. Tip number 3, stay consistent. Make the 20-second rule a part of your daily routine. The more consistently you apply it, the faster your brain will adapt, making the desired behavior second nature. Tip number 4, celebrate progress. Recognize and reward yourself for each small step forward. Acknowledging your achievements along the way will motivate you to keep going. Change takes time and effort, but with the 20-second rule, you have a powerful tool at your disposal. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Embrace the power of the 20-second rule and embark on your journey towards a better, more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and may your 20 seconds of action lead to a lifetime of positive habits and success. Stay tuned for more transformative insights and practical tips. Until next time, keep activating change and thrive. Start today and see the positive changes unfold in your life. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And if you want to see more helpful videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.